In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Zoho Analytics. Let's dive right in and get you familiar with the key elements that will empower you to start leveraging this powerful tool effectively. First, take a look at your workspace and focus in on the left-hand menu. This is your central hub guiding you through Zoho Analytics. Let's break down what each section hosts, starting with the Explorer. Think of it as your command center. It gives you access to everything you need, from detailed reports to interactive dashboards and comprehensive data tables. Moving on, we have dashboards. Here, you can create and explore visual summaries of your data, making it easier to interpret complex information. Then, there's the reports section. This is where the nitty-gritty lives. Individual reports like charts and pivot tables find their home here. Finally, you have the data section. It's all about your raw data tables in this part of the menu. You can view, edit, and clean your data, getting it ready for insightful analysis. Now that we're familiar with the menu, let's explore how to create reports and dashboards. If you want to create a new report, simply go to the Report section and click on Create. From there, you have options like charts and pivots to explore. Simply choose the type of report that meets your needs. On the other hand, if you're interested in synthesizing multiple reports into a single view, head over to Dashboards. Click on Create, and you can mix these reports together, tailoring a dashboard that gives you a comprehensive view of your data. One of the exciting features of Zoho Analytics is Ask Zia. If you need quick insights, click on Ask Zia. You can type in questions like, "Show me sales by region," and Zia will instantly generate a report or chart for you. It's a fast and efficient way to get a snapshot of your data without diving into detailed reports manually. Managing your data is equally crucial. Go to the Data section and click Import Data to upload new data sources. This feature allows you to effortlessly bring in new information for analysis. And, within this section, you have the flexibility to clean your data and create advanced query tables, which can enhance the quality of your insights significantly. And there you have it. You've now been given a brief yet comprehensive overview of the primary navigation features in Zoho Analytics. Remember, the key is to experiment. Dive into creating and exploring reports and dashboards, and manage your data efficiently. As you continue to explore, you'll develop a deeper understanding of how Zoho Analytics can transform your data into meaningful insights, aiding your decision-making process. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of success in your analytical endeavors.